Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can change message sound on BIP. So, let's get started. Firstly, open BIP app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on notifications. Next, you can see the option of message notifications. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of sound. Tap on it. Then select sound of your choice. After that, tap on arrow option. Next, you can see the option of save at top. Tap on it. So, this is how you can change message sound on BIP. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.